Hi, this is Paige coming to you from Truck-Lite. Today we're going to talk about our multi-purpose maintenance spray. You probably have at least one type of multi-purpose spray in your garage right now, and you probably use it often. These products do some really useful things. They lubricate, clean and penetrate, and control corrosion on metal. One of the downsides to these products is that they cannot be used on or around electronics, plastics, rubber, or silicone, as they may corrode these materials. Truck-Lite's multi-purpose maintenance spray does everything you expect from a multi-purpose spray while also being dielectric and non-corrosive, meaning it's safe to use on or around electronics, plastics, rubber, and silicone. Safe to use! We're going to use some rubber latex balloons to demonstrate the corrosive nature of some of the popular multi-surface sprays.
Keep it out.
Oh!
Yeah, keep going. You can get it on like the other side. Okay. Alright, stay there.
Thanks for watching, and let us know how you use Truck-Lite's multi-purpose maintenance spray.